And we're now getting some more breaking news from Uttar Pradesh itself. Row over sealing of mosque in Lucknow University. Mosque at Varsity sealed by the administration. Varsity mosque sealed and premises have also been barricaded. Namaz not allowed at Lal Baradari Mosque. Students are now sitting on dharna. Barricades have been removed. Hindu students form human chain for a namaz at this mosque in the university. Students question decision in holy Ramzan month. Administration says that mosque is in shambles and can collapse anytime. The Nawab era building houses a bank and a canteen. University decision now takes a political turn. Congress MP has also reached the Lucknow University. Congress MP Pratap Garhi backs the protesting students in this matter.
देखिए ये नमाज पढ़ी जा रही है
लगातार इस पे बोर्ड लगा हुआ है कि यह जो धरोहर है क्षतिग्रस्त है। ये लगभग 3 साल से बोर्ड लगा है और माह रमज़ान का माहौल चल रहा है। इसी माहौल में इस धरोहर के सामने जो दीवार जो गेट है उसको पूरी तरीके से सीज कर दिया गया है। हमारा लगातार सुबह से प्रदर्शन चल रहा है, शाम होने को हुई है, रात भी हो रही है। अभी तक प्रोटोरियल बोर्ड का कोई जवाब नहीं आया है, न कोई नोटिस दिखा रहे हैं और यहाँ तक कि अभी विश्वविद्यालय कुलपति का भी इस पर कोई जवाब नहीं आया है। प्रशासन लगातार दबाव बना रहा है, लेकिन हम लोग इस तरह उठने वाले नहीं हैं जब तक जवाब नहीं मिलेगा।
प्रशासन के कुछ लोग मिलने आए, उन्होंने बताया कि मैं सक्षम नहीं हूँ गेट खोलने में। भाई तुम सक्षम नहीं हो तो किस आधार पर लखनऊ विश्वविद्यालय ने गेट सील करने का काम किया? मैं उससे जवाब मांगता हूँ। ये उसको विश्वविद्यालय प्रशासन को किसने अधिकार दे दिया कि यहाँ गेट सील करना है? क्या धार्मिक माहौल खराब करना चाहते हैं? क्या करना चाह रहे हैं?
And my colleague Samath Srivastav is with us on the story. Samath, why was this decision to seal the mosque taken?
See the visuals themselves telling the story why Lucknow University maybe decided to shut the doors of Lal Baradari, the historic monument in Lucknow University. Because what we saw in the visuals, students started protesting right over there. They in a way destroyed the Buddhist barricades and even got into the brawl. And it was not just that, whether one community students were there. There were a lot of students and political students as well. But if you see the condition of this particular monument or this particular building of Lal Baradari, them herself will understand about the condition, about the dilapidated situation of this particular building, where LU at one end says that it is not up to date or it is not ready to allow anyone inside for namaz. And as it's 200-year-old building, having a history with the history of Lucknow itself, these visuals clearly tells the story. If you see that the major chunk of this building has come down, and if some bigger part of this particular thing gets over someone, then he or she could be severely injured.
All right.
And that's the logic behind Lucknow University's saying that they will not allow anyone for the namaz at this particular place while the students are claiming.
Thank you for getting us all those details. So the Lucknow University has sealed this mosque that was present on the campus, and after which there are protests and the students are sitting on dharna. Human chains have also been formed. But the reason behind this move is that the Lucknow University claims that this mosque is in shambles and it can collapse any time.